Up man.
Food I'm strong. Good food man. You're strong.
Cocoa leaf bar.
See, we have got Linstead Market. Ackee. So yes, my peeps, we out here once more again. You see what I go on, we just showing something, you know. Yeah man, my number one fruit, breadfruit. So you know me out here once more again with Run Wildlife Adventure, my peeps.
I know I think and I remember if you jump over on the channel, you know, you see me. Go over there and watch if you do them, like, share and subscribe.
Yeah man, you see him?
Yeah man.
Barracuda, boss, you know. Wolf for Barracuda and buy it from me. But today, he might give me some breadfruit free. So I go and hear my people. So we are going to pick some roasting breadfruit, you know, because we are going with that thing, you know, my peeps. Yes man, we are going with that thing. So just stick and stay tuned to the channel. We are going to rob you today, you know. You know, so we are going to rob you today. We want about 20.
Lean up yourself. Here be your fuck.
We are pick some breadfruit, you know, so watch what I go on. We are do it like a monkey. Yes man, I see you climb breadfruit tree, you know, my peeps. You see me? Think of plating. Show them say we're talented, you know. You see it? Yeah man. Fly up in that tree quick and fast. Only hope me not drop off still, you know. You see me? Oh, I stick here now. Breadfruit in the far out of my reach. You see none to me. To me a length. Everything out of me and reach. Oh, and some super for use this stick here.
Yeah. Bro, I'll pick your breadfruit and I'll do the first one.
First one this. Catch it, Ran, catch it.
Oh, I catch you, I have a phone. You're rotted.
See that?
So you man, if you bust
First
me
one
peeps.
that the peeps.
I said if you catch it. Oh, who me fi catch you?
Catch breadfruit.
Think I you me fi catch.
You can't catch me.
Jump now. Watching people. Jump now.
You can't catch me, man. I go for you. You only ripe. Go roast the same way. Yeah, man. By real yellow heart breadfruit. Just say they're yellow and pretty. So when you think we are good, mash them up with you now. We nah tell you no one, just watch the video. So I go on. Yeah, man.
Are we working?
I get more to do this. Put the pan in here.
Alright, now we're going to make up one big blurt now for you and roast them, man.
Right, that way.
Alright, Jackie.
Yeah, here that.
Oh, that Josh, respect, yeah?
Yeah, man, every time.
Yeah, man, so we are going
Yeah, Snoopy.
do. Yes, my peeps. It's a lovely place, not you? Yeah, man, lovely accommodation. If you all who want to visit Jamaica, go on a look view outside. Yeah, man, see it? Lovely. See it? So if you all like tourists, them I come to Jamaica and I look somewhere. If you don't want to stay in to the hotel, it's a lovely place. And if you love dog, you have a nice dog, nice pool as well. Yeah, man, the place, nice sunshine. See it? So you say how them can get in contact?
Yeah? Fantasy Villa. Fantasy Villa. Run on the yeah, Cardiffal, yeah.
So them can find it through
Pat Reed, Villa.com.
So then, yeah, my peeps, we go get an inside view, I couldn't see what I go on. So you can check it out. Where you say name again? Fantasy. Yeah, man, Fantasy Villa, and go and check it out if you need a comfortable spot to stay. If you ever thinking about visiting Jamaica, yeah, man, you have your own space. If you don't want to go to the hotel. Yeah, man, see it? A nice staircase going up. This is some upstairs room. as well. See it? Yeah man, maybe 1 room, 2 room there, so this is a lovely. Let me show you upstairs view as well. If you want to have a moonlight dinner as well, watch what go on. You can kind of have a view any cruise ship passing on the ocean. Yeah man. Now I got clear view, you know. And that used to be a golf course, but from the COVID it closed down, my peeps. Yeah man, see it? Pool so. So just a show you what one the umbrella where you can have your moonlight dinner or a little wine and your partner. The breadfruit tree is there, but we just get the breadfruit off. See it? Nice man, nice and warm, you know. And so you can always make it your home away from home, my peeps. Yeah man. So I go on, you have all your own kitchen. If you can.
Yeah, you get your own kitchen, yeah.
Yeah man, room, bring it one kitchen here, yeah. Yeah man, bathroom around there, so balcony out the door, or balcony you call it. See? Yeah man, so I go on, reach to the bedroom.
Yeah, patio, that's all.
So I go on, you have your own little kitchen area. You can, you know, you have a little toaster, a little hot plate, microwave, you have a little fridge.
Bedroom, bathroom, everything.
Yeah man, nice little bedroom. I have a nice little patio outside here. Yeah man. Nice bathroom here as well. Yeah man, see it? Nice. So yes, my peeps, always feel free to check it out. You know? If you ever thinking about coming to Jamaica and you want a little hideaway. Yeah man. Alright now my peeps, we reach on the ground. My breadfruit them not so hot. The bees bite them or but there are a couple breadfruit. See it. So what we are going to use with the doing my peeps. It's a pork, you know. You know, 2 nice pieces of pork. Yeah man, we have the season over here the same way. So you know, see what go on. This is a kitchen area. All like cooking go on. Yeah man. So yeah man, so reach the breadfruit then you know we are going to set up a fire now. I'm going to see what go on, see pork. Next thing you know, show you what go on. Ackee. See what go on. I'm going to run up in the Ackee tree now and get some Ackee, as you can see a couple of one funny as well out there, so same way. Yeah man. That's how I go on here now. We have little rain. I don't know, rain from where there. That's Joe here now. So rain here now. Yeah man, that's rain my peas, but that now I go tap the pot here now, so we are going to make up a fire now. Run up in the Ackee tree, pick some Ackee, go on with some Ackee and pork and roast breadfruit and peas. So stick and stay.
Yeah my people, get the Ackee them pick out, is it? Steady up. One and a sound you do not go use that one. We have holy parky, you know, so nice one like that one.
Fresh.
Now watch your hand people, Ackee stop them dirty, we wash off everything. You see, because them just drop off our tree.
Wash Ackee and wash Ackee man. Can't wash Ackee and the tree beer soft.
Alright.
So yes my peeps, finally we make up the fire. Yeah man, fire make up on a blaze. So we are going to line up on next fire this, so as you see. I roast the breadfruit them over on the fire here, you know. So yes, so you know we are cooking pork, you know. So you know we are, yeah man, because you know we have to kind of half cook the pork, you know. Can't just fry up yourself, it's like tough.
But people
yeah,
don't know
man.
a thing going on. We're there, you know, people. We're active, you know. We're out here, do it for you. So we just want to do it for you. Just like up every day, them people.
Yes, my peeps.
Comment.
Yeah man.
Share. Subscribe, people.
That's
it. All. And we have some content that good. Now that's all we are big.
Let's say you're going with.
I split up some of the stick. But nail in them. See it? Turn back off.
on. Fire well make up ready to light up here now. Yeah man.
Yeah, peeps. We have the strips. So the strips are going to help the fire to catch. So anytime you catch outdoor fire, make sure you have strips. You know, that is the key component for the fire burn.
Yeah man. Time to put on the breadfruit and peeps.
So what you do then now, bro? You get...
Yeah, bust the middle so you can penetrate through the breadfruit, you know. You get a better roast. You know, so heat penetrate through the heart of breadfruit. That is it, man.
Breadfruit on fire, peeps.
Man, so put on the pork, you know, because we have to kind of half cook, you know. Because if we don't half cook, you know, can't eat. So.
Yeah, peeps. So the pork have to half cook because
Yeah, man.
we have a debone it, so you don't know that though.
Real and all that.
Breadfruit under there.
Set the fire a bit down.
What you say, Odane?
Yeah, man. A crazy thing for the HQ, yeah, my people. You don't know. Just stick and stay. That is it. Yeah, man. Stirring up the breadfruit, you know. Youngster style, you know. Aye, that is it, man. Watch what I got and them black. Yeah, man. Pork pan the fire. I go and cook down, you know. That is it, man.
Yep, so Ackee, you know?
Chef Omar.
Man out there. Long time not been in the
Bless
kitchen,
up people, no, man.
Yeah, man, a long time not been in the kitchen, so this morning out there is me in the kitchen because some Ackee.
Yeah, man. Where say we are going with?
Some Ackee and roast breadfruit and pork.
Yeah, man.
See how it come down, man. First, my bounce a pot there, you know.
Where say?
First, I eat that a pot there, you know.
A legend, you know, people.
Alright, my peeps, see it? We are line up the pork here now, you know. Hey, bad boy, this is now we are going to put in the Ackee, you know. You see it? What we have here? I may tell him, say, I have to cut up a little smaller. Not true, my people.
Look on that, people.
Nah, man, you want to cut up smaller, man. Dice up smaller, man.
Your knife not good enough, bro. A good
See
thing
it?
it pokes off. Yeah, peeps, so. I get the Ackee down in a pot now, you see me? Only for Ackee, you know. You see it? Yeah, man, so you don't know a thing, go, you know? Get it over there, so. Only for Ackee.
Yeah, man, we are wash up the seasoning, the peeps. So we have in there onion,
Pepper,
sweet pepper,
tomato.
yeah, man,
And
scallion
scallion
and
and
thyme. We in the kitchen, we have Chef
Out
Omar's.
there, you know.
Yeah, man.
One more time in the kitchen.
Yeah, man, cut up the seasoning them and all my peeps. You have to go carry in the kitchen more, you know, make your hand your hand free. I see you laugh to yourself and you like, yeah, say, whoa, that's beautiful. It's colorful, my peeps.
You're gonna catch an apple.
Hot! Hot daddy! Alright, my peeps. See there? Now season the pork with some all purpose, you know. So we are going to fry up here now, you see it? Yeah, man. Pot there, so set on here now. Over here, so now we have Ackee, you know? Yeah, man. So that is it, my peeps. So just stick and stay tuned to it, you know. Yeah, man. So we are going to do. We soon get back to you. I remember the breadfruit them there, so you know. We have bake them, you know. See them brown? We have bake them. Yeah, man. So that is it. Everything active, man. So stick and stay tuned. Season them done cut up here now. And things same way. Ready. Pot hot up. That is it, man. So just, oh God, my peep. Smell the hot scotch bonnet pepper coming from it. Marinating with the thyme. Oh God, man. Dash in the cooking oil in the pot now. Because I know time to fry up the pork soon.
You don't want more pepper, that you cut up a whole of pepper and everything?
No, so I don't want no olive.
Oh, God. Take it out.
Just in.
What are you show in there, man?
We have fried pork first. First them done.
Ready, now get the pork in our cup, people.
Yeah.
Pork in our cup, people.
See? Brown him down, you know. When you don't know, you know, this don't want a lot, you know, because you know the taste of the pork have. Yeah, man, when you don't know, it's not a normal taste. Then you mix with the Ackee, with the scotch bonnet pepper, my peeps. I just see breadfruit, I wait for it, you know. Problem. Hey! Watch out, people, watch out. Just damn good.
Get the pork out there, people. So you can throw in the season now. Throw in the Ackee and thing. That is it, peeps. Up on the road. Same time to eat. What you say now, Chef Odane?
Yeah, man, right, man. Well, I get up something, you know.
Yeah, man, that smells good.
Smell the aroma there.
Yeah, man.
Holy barky, different people. Yeah, man, I bad and all, man. Pork and Ackee, roast breadfruit. Oh, God, man.
You want to see that? Get the breadfruit and peel and thing, you know? Okay, and the pork ready, so the breadfruit time now.
That a go on out here, Ran.
Uh-huh.
Breadfruit peel up, ready up. All courtesy of Omar.
Out there, you know?
Yeah, man, look how I go on my peeps.
Like drink water.
Really a lot breadfruit, you know.
Me clean up my hand, you know?
plate them out here already. Box plate them I eat pan, you know.
Me.
Right now it's a cocoa leaf I want to feed pan, you know. Yeah man, there's a cocoa leaf I want to feed pan or a banana leaf. I don't want no sanitary plate, my peeps. Yes man. Eat my peeps. Ready, you know. Hold up you I you know. What's that? Come now, man.
Where you say work, brother? Alright, where you going? You tap it. You tap that. Yeah?
Yeah man, run food.
But you did.
You hold the camera like you're afraid.
But you did.
You see that, man?
Yeah man. Run Ackee on my thing, man. Yeah man. See my babe, bad like get you, but you blaze food. Tell them man, real cocoa leaf. In food I can't on a plate.
Up, man.
That is it. What?
Food I'm strong. Good food man. You're strong.
Cocoa leaf boss.
My plate this man. Watch where I go on. See it? I don't want no plate. Watch where I go on. So yes, my peeps. I want to tell you, my peeps, it's a good outing. God knows, really full dry the food, my peeps, as you see. You see what I go on. You see how I did a deal with it, not through my people. Yeah, man. And you see, run off a second that, 9 of a second that mean the food bad. Yes, my people, it's a good thing. Good try, you know. Been years now, we not tried that menu, yeah, we did so and really full dried. Cause them food that we used to eat them from with grandmother come up to with mother. Yeah man, so we decided so we want to try as well. And it work out my peeps. So we want to say just continue to send in some love my peeps. Really appreciate it to the max. Yeah man, continue. Blessings forever.